Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Vlog Pocket by FeiyuTech. It's basically a gimbal for your smartphone. Now for the people out there who do not know what a gimbal is, it is used for stabilizing the footage of your smartphone. Now today in this video, let's unbox this product and let's see what all do you get inside. I actually really like the packaging. It feels like a premium product. The unboxing experience is very good. Opening up the box, you can see that there are a lot of things. First things first, there is some paperwork which includes the warranty card and also the user manual. The manual is in English as well as Chinese, which is a good thing. And reading the manual while setting up a gimbal is kind of important because it gives you step-by-step instruction on how to balance it and then use it. So you should read the manual when you buy a gimbal. Anyway, moving on, the next thing inside the box is the small tripod adapter for the gimbal. So you can use this adapter and then place the gimbal on the ground or any other surface for that matter. Apart from that, the box also contains a micro USB cable which is used to charge the gimbal. The next thing inside the box is the gimbal itself. As you can see, it is in this very small form factor because it can be folded. So that is probably the best part about this gimbal, that it can be folded and then you can carry it around easily. The build quality of the gimbal is also pretty solid. It does not feel cheap at all, which is a very good thing. Now keeping the gimbal aside, last but not the least, there is a premium pouch which can be used to carry your gimbal around. So you can throw the gimbal in there, the charger along with it, and then put it in your backpack. So it's very good to see that they've included a carrying pouch in the box itself. So that was a great unboxing experience of this little guy. So this is the FeiyuTech gimbal. It's called the Vlog Pocket. And the number one thing about this is that you can fold it and then lock it, and then you can carry it around easily in your backpack. So that is hands down the best feature about this little guy. It's very small, its form factor is very pocketable, and you can carry it around easily anywhere. And obviously it will add extra production value to your videos, to your short films, or whatever you want to do with this little gimbal. So first things first, let's take a physical overview of this gimbal. So it has a couple of buttons right up front. One is for power on off, which also doubles as a button to connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It can also be used to change various modes. So if you double press this button, then it will go into portrait or landscape mode. So if you want to do something like Instagram stories or vertical videos, then you can do that as well. And on the other hand, if you double press it again, it will go back to landscape mode, which is kind of awesome. The button right below it is used for switching between video mode and photo mode, and it is also the button to switch on recording and if you want to take a photo. So it's essentially a shutter button. So if you want to start the video recording or take a photo or whatever, you can do that with that button as well. You also get a micro USB port right up front from where you can charge this gimbal. Now I've been using this gimbal for about a week and I can say that the battery life is somewhere between 4 to 5 hours, which is excellent. Now let's go ahead and talk about the various modes with this gimbal. First up, I do not like the fact that there's no joystick right on the gimbal. So you cannot control the pan and tilt right from the gimbal itself. There is a joystick, like a virtual joystick in the app, but I don't know how that will work out when your smartphone is already on the gimbal. So that's kind of a weird idea, but anyway, I wish that there were a joystick right on the gimbal. But nevertheless, you have a couple of modes. One is follow mode, where if you move your hand to the right, the gimbal will go to the right. If you move your hand to the left, the gimbal will go to the left, and so on. You also have something known as focus lock mode. So if you lock your focus on a particular subject, the gimbal will keep the frame exactly like it is. Even if you move your hand left, right, up, down, whatever, the frame would be the same. Like it would lock the frame, and that is kind of interesting. Now apart from that, you also get various features like hyperlapse, time lapse, light trail mode, and a ton of other features inside the Feiyu On app. So you have to download the Feiyu On app, connect that app to this gimbal, and then you have all those features which are very good, and they definitely add extra value to your production. So if you include motion lapse shot, they look incredible, and I've been having some of the best time while shooting time lapses and motion lapses. Now this gimbal also comes with a 1/4" connector right over here, and they provide this little tripod with it, so you can attach it to this base, and then this becomes like a tripod, so you can place it on the ground or any other surface when you want to shoot time lapses, motion lapses, and all those things. So the legs open up right here, and then you can place it anywhere you want. So this is again a very handy feature, and I'm really glad that they're including this in the box itself. Now I've been only using this for a week, so it's not a right time to give my full review about this product. That will be coming really soon. I'm planning to make like a full cinematic video with this gimbal and the Redmi K20 Pro, like the Redmi K20 Pro on this gimbal, and then a proper cinematic video. So if you are interested in that, then maybe hit the subscribe button down there, because that video is coming really soon. Today it was just an unboxing video and first impressions kind of video. I really like this gimbal because of its form factor, and it's very easy to hold, very easy to use. It's not trying to do something really out of the world. It's just a simple gimbal, and I like the fact that it's just a simple gimbal. Now if you want to buy this gimbal, I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. I'll also drop a 10% discount code only for you guys out there. So the code is HARSH, that is Harsh. You can use that code and you will get 10% instant discount on the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it helped you out in some way or the other. And if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below, because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi. I'll see you guys in the next one.